Hi guys, my name is Nonima Tikela. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I want us to go to Twitter X to our uncle there, Umalume. Umalume like I love Malume answering boycotts decisively, tread carefully. At Genius Philos. Yes, him. He did a thread. We will always go to that space and go to him, okay? Because he's very smart, guys. He's very smart. Um, he did a thread. He says a thread. Did Brigadier Geninda try to pre-insulate himself from accountability? Did Brigadier Geninda try to pre-insulate himself from accountability? This is the same thing that I think when I read all of this, I was like, so this is what Mangena also did. That's why Mangena said the bag was opened. But he went and did what he needed to do with an open bag, of which it's not supposed to be taken. He knows it. There are so many grounds of appeal here. He took an open bag and wrote it on a statement. Okay, let's read. We'll talk about those two. One detail people are missing. Geninda did not casually describe this as a prosecutorial-driven investigation. This was strategic. That was strategic. That was a strategic stance. He knew the defense would eventually uncover the cracks. So he placed the NPA in the narrative early, almost as insurance. He's like, they were here. We were doing this together. They were here. So I can't go down alone. Is that why Baloyi at this point, when he's asking witnesses things, as much as he's looking like he's salvaging, he's trying to save himself and stuff, but at the same time, he is also throwing Geninda under the bus indirectly. Because tell me why he is still busy with Ubaba Uzungu currently after being so much exposed, throwing Geninda under the bus. And I don't know if he will today. He's saying nothing about the signature, the ID number. He is also punching back. Yeah, let's move. When an investigator knows the evidence trial might not survive scrutiny, the safest move is to frame every decision as co-signed by prosecutors. It shifts responsibility from personal judgment to institutional consensus. Geninda played that card. If your evidence is solid, you don't need to pre-explain who approved every step. You let the facts breathe. When the origin of the evidence is shaky, then you start telling the court how everyone was part of the process. Geninda. Zungu Senior's testimony did not just deny participation, it accused law enforcement of harassment, coercion, bribe attempts, and fabrication. If true, no amount of prosecutorial-driven language can sanitize that. A poisoned tree does not yield legal fruit. So that is why I'm saying Baloyi, Geninda, if you are not careful. Think about it. If you know your star witness, Sizwe Zungu, is carrying hearsay from unnamed residents, you desperately need credibility elsewhere. That's where the PDI phrasing becomes useful. Diffuse responsibility, dilute accountability. But the risk of that strategy is enormous. If the defense proves fabrication, the fallout is not just on Geninda. It splashes on the very prosecutors he claimed were guiding or co-driving his decisions. That's the boomerang. That's the boomerang he didn't calculate. Oh my word. Cross-examination already exposed document inconsistencies and odd omissions. If a document truly existed, signed voluntarily, its basics its basics wouldn't need rescuing 2 years later with explanations about memory lapses or missing witnesses. With Zungu Senior saying, I never gave information, the defense now has a credible path to challenge the arrest chain, confessions, and pointing out as potentially derivative of a fraudulent origin. That's not a minor technicality. That's a structural collapse. So the case is having problems more than we anticipated. Ne? History will ask, was this murder trial a desperate attempt to make evidence fit a story that already been sold to the nation? The answer may depend on how far the court is willing to dig into that prosecutorial-driven claim. Oh my word. So, in other words, everyone is going to go down. Everybody is going to go down. Whoever was sitting in those meetings, if Baloyi, Sibanda, Gininda sat down and had a meeting, all three of them are going to go down, including Gininda on his side. He's going to bring the entire cold case unit down with him. Is that what it means? He's also going to bring down Mangena. So it sounds like when you read this thread, it sounds like then Umangena no Gininda had a discussion and they said, put Leli Solotya lapho. Put it. That is why Mangena put it. That is why Mangena put it. That is why Mangena puts. I'm saying put it because that guy from EMPD, Julius Mkwana, said, I never put it. Oh my God. Oh my God. Nancy collapse in front of our own eyes is Henzek. Prosecutorial driven. So Ubaloyi, chances are he's fighting back, but he does not want to seem to be fighting back. Yes. So they are fighting alone. I'm loving it. Oh, I'm loving it. If they are fighting together, I'm loving it, guys. If they are fighting together, I am fighting. I'm there. Oh, my week, sana love, I sent. Problems is Zigabalo is in Jena, guys. Are his problems like this? Because wow, Sanalam. Wowza. Oh, what a wow. Guys, I will see you on our next video. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.